Hello everyone, welcome to a Mrs. C screencast. Today we will be discussing how to edit a reverse video. I will be using Adobe Premiere Elements, which is a little different than Adobe Premiere CS6 that we use in class, but I will go through all of the differences and everything should work out just fine. Before we begin, let's go over the reverse video requirements, which these can also be found on your Google Classroom. But we'll briefly go over them. First, we want a title slide. We want the clips to go forward, then backward, and then have a transition. I want to see music, and I also want ending credits. When you film this reverse video, you are the videographer. You should not be in your clips unless you are filming with a tripod and it's only you. So we'll have these over here just in case we need them. So now I have my clip already done. And what I'm going to do, so this is Adobe Premiere Elements. It's not set up the same way as Adobe Premiere CS6, but it has essentially all of the same things to it. My tools are here, my transitions, my titles, my effects, which your effects are probably over here. Your effect controls would be up here. Your transitions are down here. Your tools are probably right here. And then this is your workspace area. And then your viewing panel is up here. So first off, I've already filmed my one clip, so I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to place it in video 1. To make a copy of this clip, I want to do Control-C, and then I'm going to move my cursor, red cursor over so it's not over top, and I'm going to do Control-V. And this is going to make a second clip. I then want to right click, and for you it will be speed duration. For me right now it is time stretch. I'm going to click it, and for both of us it's the same. It's going to be reverse speed. You want to click that, and it's going to make your video go backwards. So you're going to bop it over and click it right next to your forward clip. So whenever I play this, it'll go forward. And it will go backwards. Perfect. So next I want transitions. So I'm going to go to my transitions, and again yours will be over here with effects, and you can pick any ones that you want. I like having a variety of things because I like the transitions. I think they're fun. So you just click and you drag. You're going to say okay. You probably will not have any choices, which is fine. And you're going to put one in the beginning and put one at the end. But you're not putting any in the middle. So before your action and after your action. So it should look like this. So we have the one. We don't have any in the center here. And then we have one at the end. Good. Next, I'm going to add my titles. So for it to add a title, you're going to go up here and it's going to say title, and you're going to pick either default still, crawl, or roll. I don't really care what you do. I just pick the default still, double click, sorry, this is not doing what it's supposed to. Oh, never mind, I have to bring it over. This is different than Premiere CS6. But anyways, so we're going to move this sticky note away. Again, we have done our forward, our backwards, and our transition. Now we're working on the title slide. So the title slide should reflect what this is. And if I want to do an animation, which I really like this fade in by character, so I'm going to do that, apply it. And then I'm going to do reverse clips project by Mrs. Cypro. I enjoy having everything centered, so I'm going to center it. Again, if you click on your little selection arrow, you can move things and make them bigger, make them smaller. You can center things. And this is all available to you in that title thing, even though it doesn't look the same. I want to change my font to something kind of fun, like this. And then I'm also going to change the color. I like green, so I'm going to go with green. Then I'm going to say OK. And so now when I play this, it's going to look like this, which is pretty cool. Nice. I'm going to put that at the beginning. So video 2, because I wanted to show a little bit on my project. Not a whole lot, but some. And it's going to look like this. And there I am. I want to move it over a little bit more though. I don't need it to be on there as much. Yeah, I like that. Cool. Next, on our little list here, I'm going to do ending credits. So again, credits include talent, videographer, editor, and if you use any type of media, so music, images, what have you. So we're going to go back to our titles. Usually we use what is called the role, which I would suggest. I'm going to put mine up in video 2 again also. Yours will not have anything on the screen, you make your own. But again, at the top it should say credits. Should have your talent, which is moi. And it should be somebody other than you, unless again you used the tripod. Videographer should be you. Editor is you, because it's your own video. Everybody makes an individual video of this. And then for music, for me, I'm just using what is available in Adobe Premiere Elements, so that's what I'm going to put. And then I'm going to get rid of this extra stuff that I don't need. Cool. I'm going to move this down here again. It's a little annoying, but that's okay. I'm going to pull. And then for you guys, I want you to go and click this little box up here. It has 2 arrows pointing away from each other and 3 lines, and it's called Roll Crawl Options. You're going to click on that, and you're going to select Start Off Screen, End Off Screen. I don't have to do that with this, which is nice. And then I'm going to change the font. I'm going to go to what's it called, Engraver. I just like this one. You don't have to do this. I'm going to size it so it looks nice. And then when I roll this, I'm going to need to make it longer because otherwise it's going to fly by. See, look at that. We don't want that. So we're going to stretch it out some. And I'm going to start it over top of the transition so it happens just a little faster. Nice. Lastly, we're going to add our music. So audio, again, you can import audio. You're going to have to Adobe Premiere CS6 doesn't have audio built in, but again, we have the stuff in the music folder, or I can upload a song for you if you send the YouTube link to me in an email. I'm going to pick, it's called New York. I think this is spunky. Move it and drop it over here. I'm going to have it fit the entire video. For you, the audio will be on the lower end, so it'll be all of the videos are up top and the audio's on the bottom. But I mean, it's the same idea. So now when I play it, me going forward, the music's in the background, and then I go backwards. I have my beginning title, I have my transitions at the front and at the end, and I have my ending credits. And that is, in a nutshell, what your reverse clips project should look like. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact me, and we will get started. Have a great day, guys.